Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video, we're going to be removing the taillights in a Porsche 991 911 Carrera. Alright, so to remove the taillights of the 991, there's going to be this little cover. You're going to lift up on the back here, and it just literally just pops right out. And then right here, there's going to be two T25 screws. We're going to go ahead and pull those out, which actually I already have the wrench ready. So let's go ahead and remove these screws. There we go. Now once we have those two screws out, we're just going to go ahead and pull back on the taillights. There we go. You want to be careful not to scratch it on the paint or anything. Alright, there we go. And then there's going to be a little plug. We're going to go ahead and push in on the little tab right here in the bottom and wiggle that off. There we go. Just like that, we got the taillight removed. And whenever you do go to put it back on, just keep in mind that there's kind of this little like kind of hook situation, and that actually goes on right back here behind this bolt. So it's actually secured in the front due to that, and then the two screws secure it in the back. And if you guys do need to remove the kind of third taillight for the all-wheel drive models, like the 4, the 4S, the 4 GTS, etc., there's actually going to be like little nuts right up underneath here. There's going to be like one right there, one right here. There's a few more on the underside, and then you can actually pop off this third top light. And then obviously there's going to be a little plug right here as well. Alright, so if this video helped you guys out, definitely put down in the comments down below, let me know. Also, if you guys have any other questions or concerns, definitely put those down in there as well. I always go through, read and respond to those, so like I said, put down in the comments down below. If you guys want to pick up any tools or any of the supplies I use in this video, there's going to also be Amazon links down in the description. But if you guys did like the video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.